Hello, this is episode 2 of trying to fix my broken Tagalog using this book and listening to the audio lessons. And before we start today's lesson, I just wanted to bring up something that I think is really helpful when it comes to learning languages, not just Tagalog. And that's the idea of the concept of particles, which for me, when you figure out what particles are, so in lesson 1, they brought up the particle na, which can also become ng, and they mentioned the example of the greeting that we learned in lesson 1, which is I wrote here, ikinagagala kong makilala ka. So that kong, it was originally ko na, but it conjugated into kong because of that particle just connects words together. And once you learn more particles, like if you really focus on learning them, I think they really help giving you context in any situation that you can figure it out, because some particles have different functions in the sentences that are really helpful in understanding the context of those conversations. So with that said, let's get into lesson 2.
Lesson 2. Pagbati. Dialogo. Ito si Ginang Cruz. Magandang umaga po, Ginang Cruz. Magandang umaga naman, Pedro. Ginang Cruz, ito po si Maria, kaklase ko siya. Ikinagagala kong makilala ka, Maria. Maria si Ginang Cruz, guro ko siya. Ikinagagala ko rin pong makilala kayo. Vocabulary. Please repeat after me. Naman.
Naman.
Ito.
Ito.
Kaklase.
Kaklase.
Ginang.
Ginang.
Rin.
Rin.
Din.
Or din. Din.
Mga dagdag na bokabularyo. Mga maramihang panghalip. Kami.
Kami.
Tayo.
Tayo.
Kayo.
Kayo.
Sila.
Sila.
Namin.
Namin.
Natin.
Natin.
Nila.
Nila.
Mga dagdag na salita. Sina.
Sina.
Mga.
Mga.
At.
At.
Binibini.
Binibini.
Tao.
Tao.
Mga tao.
Mga
Mga
tao.
salitang pwedeng gamitin kapag may taong ipinakikilala. Kapatid.
Kapatid.
Kaibigan.
Kaibigan.
Katrabaho.
Katrabaho.
Kasambahay.
Kasambahay.
Kapitbahay.
Kapitbahay.
Kababayan.
Kababayan.
Mga ekspresyon. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang tanghali.
Magandang tanghali.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Mga pangungusap. Mga guro, sina Ginoong Santos at Ginang Cruz.
Mga guro sina Ginaang Santos at Ginang
Nagtuturo
Cruz.
sila sa Universidad ng California.
Nagtuturo sila sa Universidad ng California.
Mga estudyante po kami.
Mga estudyante po kami.
Mga tao tayo.
Mga tao tayo.
Pedro at Juan ang mga pangalan namin.
Pedro at Juan at mga pangalan namin.
Pedro at Juan ang mga pangalan ninyo.
Pedro at Juan ang mga pangalan ninyo.
Ginoong Santos at Ginang Cruz ang mga pangalan nila.
Ginoong Santos at Ginang Cruz ang mga pangalan nila.
Mga gawain. Mga pagbati. Listen to the situation given. Assume the identity of the person saying the dialogue. How would you greet the other person? Please use the honorific word po when necessary. It is 9 a.m. You meet your teacher.
Magandang umaga po.
It is 7 p.m. You meet a friend.
Magandang gabi.
It is 4 p.m. You meet your friend's mother.
Magandang hapon po.
Pagsasanay sa pagsagot. Listen to the following questions and give your answer in Tagalog or Filipino. Ano ang mga pangalan ninyo?
Ang mga pangalan namin ay Pedro at Juan.
Mga estudyante ba kayo?
Oo, estudyante kami sa Universidad ng California.
Saan kayo nag-aaral?
Sa Universidad ng California.
Now, let us go back to the dialogue I read earlier. I will play Pedro. Please play Ginang Cruz. I will also play Maria. Magandang umaga po, Ginang Cruz.
Magandang umaga naman.
Ginang Cruz, ito po si Maria. Kaklase ko siya.
Ikinagala kong makilala ka, Maria.
Maria si Ginang Cruz. Guro ko siya. Ikinagagalak ko rin pong makilala kayo. This time, I will play Ginang Cruz and Maria. Please play Pedro.
Magandang umaga.
Start.
Magandang umaga po, Ginang Cruz.
Magandang umaga naman, Pedro.
Ginang Cruz, ito po si Maria. Kaklase ko siya.
Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka, Maria.
Maria, si Ginang Cruz. Guro ko siya. Oh, that was the reading. I was waiting for her to keep going, but it's done. Okay, so some of the reading questions was asking about that that email that they wanted you to read. So, in first question, ano ang mga pangalan sa mga kaibigan ni Melissa? And the answer, if you were paying attention, she said, ito po ang mga kaibigan ko, sina Teresa at Barbara. So Barbara and Teresa. And then the second question, saan sila nag-aaral? And the sentence says, where you find that answer says, mga estudyante sila at Ateneo University. And then the third question, anong klase nila? And then the next sentence answers that question, and it says, mga kaklase ko po sila sa biology. And then the fourth question, sino ang guro nila? And it says, si Binibini Pineda ang guro namin. So the reading part, they have words abbreviated already, so I don't know. It's kind of a little advanced, I would say, if you just go through without listening to what she's saying. But yeah, so that was the lesson, the second lesson, and it was basically greetings in addition to the introduction. So it built upon the first lesson, which was the introductions, and this lesson added on the greetings. and also the more polite language, which is adding po at the end of the sentence. And, I think for me, so far, what's been most helpful is having the physical textbook because it's helping me improve my reading a bit by just getting used to being exposed to it. But other than that, I think the lessons are also, I don't really have any problem with them so far. I don't know because if it's because I already know some Tagalog or if it's good or not. I will have to figure that out as we go further along in the lessons. But yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video.